Are you struggling with breakouts that just won't go away? I'm going to share with you 5 strategies that can help you start clearing your skin today. But don't worry, they're not super difficult at all to do. And be sure to stick around for tip number 5 because this is where people get it wrong and it's often a game changer for them. My name is Elizabeth Steffen and welcome to my channel. I am a licensed esthetician, spa owner, skincare formulator, and acne sufferer and acne specialist. Oh my gosh, that is such a mouthful. It's not about me, guys. This is about you and getting your skin clear. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 really simple tips that can help you start on your journey to getting clear skin. Tip number 1 that you guys can do right now at home is icing your face. What the heck is skin icing? Hey, I got a video about it. It's in my description below, so you can go ahead and click on it for a full tutorial on how to ice your face. But generally, you're gonna stick an ice cube in a little baggie and rub it all over your face twice a day for about 2 minutes each. That's it in a nutshell. When you are icing your face, you are giving your skin a chance to reduce its inflammation. You're gonna have vasoconstriction and reducing blood flow to the area, and it's just gonna calm it down. It's lovely. It is something that I still do on myself. It's actually my first go-to even before using a topical ingredient to help manage a breakout. And the reason why is it's just so fast. Like, this is a really fast way to help get your skin clear, and it can drastically reduce acne on a lot of people. It doesn't cure it. We don't cure acne, we manage acne. It is a skin condition. So if you feel the urge to pick your skin as well, I recommend get an ice cube instead and just ice that breakout instead of trying to pick at it and cross-contaminate yourself and your skin and make it worse and have scarring. So go ahead and ice your face. Tip number 2 is identifying the type of acne that you actually have. Once you know what kind of acne you have, you're better off knowing how to manage it. So do you have inflamed acne, non-inflamed acne? Do you have folliculitis? Do you have malassezia? Malassezia? I still have a hard time saying that word, which is a yeast issue on the skin. Folliculitis is a bacterial issue on the skin. Non-inflamed acne is going to look like whiteheads and blackheads. And you have your cystic acne, which is going to be pustules and papules and nodules. And they all are treated and managed in slightly different ways. Now, when somebody is on my acne clearing program, whether they're in the spa or you purchase products, you purchase the starter kit for me that's got the instructions on how to use the products and a coaching program that goes with it. Got to put a plug in there. But when you actually identify the type of acne, you know what ingredients you need to use and what products you need to use and continue to need to use. Now, my acne clearing programs are designed to treat all of them. Yes, that's what's amazing about it, is no matter what type of acne you have, the ingredients work synergistically with each other, but at different times of the day. You have a morning routine and you have a night routine. But when you know and understand what you have, then you can better tweak your skincare routine the further along the program you get and the more resistant your skin becomes to the active ingredients. I hope that makes sense. So that kind of brings me to tip number 4, and that is building a morning routine and a night routine. Now, I do have a free secret video. You can click the link below in the description, and that actually shows you the step-by-step that I actually take people through. It's a really in-depth video, and it takes people on a journey of how the products work, when to use them, but you don't really want to mix too much together. So you need to have a morning routine and a night routine. But the biggest thing is wash your skin both morning and night. You want to remove the debris or the products that you were using maybe earlier in the day and replace it with something else that's going to treat a different issue. So for example, I use benzoyl peroxide at night. and with my clients. Sometimes we'll use it on the day with them if they're really resistant. But we don't want them using benzoyl peroxide during the day. One, it can stain your clothes. We don't want you to stain your nice work clothes or whatever. You can be more sun sensitive. So we want to do different things during the day where we can maybe exfoliate the skin a little bit more during the day and then protect it from the sun as well. So we want to build out a morning and evening routine. So tip number 4, and this one's a big one, guys, staying consistent. Okay, whether you're on my acne coaching program or you're doing something else, you need to be consistent to really see if it's going to work. Now, I'm going to say something super controversial here in my industry. I don't believe in skin purging. So that means if you are using a product and it's making your skin worse, like making it break out more, that's a no for me. Like my products, if you're not consistently making improvements, then something's wrong. If you come back to me and your skin is getting worse, I'm going to make an assumption that you have an allergy or you're not following the program, or you've been exposed to the sun while you're using the products because you really don't want to be. Like when you're clearing acne, you want to protect your skin from the sun because you're using active ingredients. So by staying consistent, you're actually going to be able to track your results much more effectively. All right, guys, tip number 5, this one is big. Don't use an oil-based moisturizer on top of your benzoyl peroxide. If you already have acne and you're using benzoyl peroxide and you're putting oil on top of it, you're inhibiting the function of the ingredient to do what it's supposed to do. And that is to have a chemical reaction by introducing oxygen inside the pore. Oxygen is going to kill the C. acnes bacteria. It used to be called P. acnes, now it's C. And we want to be able to get in there, kill that bacteria. And when you're putting oils, it's an occlusive ingredient and is going to suffocate the ingredient from penetrating inside the pore. Now, when I'm using benzoyl peroxide, I have a very specific way I'm getting my clients to use it. It's not like what anyone has heard of. I mean, some people in my industry know. This is an industry secret. We don't want to overly dry your skin, and that's what benzoyl peroxide just does. So a lot of people naturally want to put oil on top of it. So if you want to hydrate your skin because the benzoyl peroxide is drying it, use it during the day. Hydrate your skin in the morning. If it's an oil-based hydrator, fine. We do that for some of our customers and some of our clients, especially with a sunscreen, because we want to protect the skin and we want to keep it hydrated. We want to keep your microbiome healthy on your skin, and benzoyl peroxide can certainly dry it out. That's why people are putting oil on top of it. But when you're doing that, it's not working. So now you're just in chaos. So just be mindful that if you are using benzoyl peroxide, to try to hydrate your skin at a different time of the day, because you want that benzoyl peroxide to actually work and do its magic without it being suffocated from oils. So those are my 5 tips on things that you can start doing today to get your skin more clear. If you guys want to see my step-by-step instructions with what type of products to use and when to use it, go ahead and click that link below for access to my secret video. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, please. And feel free to binge watch all the other acne videos, get educated, and learn as much as you can about managing your skin condition. And I will see you on the next video.